For example, this one, Real King David, I made a video which is 7 minutes, okay, but look here, check out this video performance here. You can see that I got paid revenue for every 1000 views, RPM $95.30, and I got only, so far I got only 30 views, okay? So for 30 views I got already $3. It's a very fresh video, but the point here is, you see, watch paid ads, and 69 is how much advertisers pay, because this high is for the content on this. So when you choose to make your videos, choose the content wisely, okay? It doesn't matter really, it matters a little bit how long it is, okay? It would be, maybe in this case, it's the perfect fit. I can't judge anything because this is one of the best high-paid videos what I made so far, and you can check my channel if you want. So this is the real channel, Fade Fix, okay? Go back to my channel content. I'm clicking back here, you're gonna see, and there are all my videos are here. Okay, so, or you can go and check out my channel. I will put the link below this video. Check it out, the video, and see the pattern, how I make this video. Okay, I'm not on the screen, it's not my voice, I'm using the over voice, okay, and but this is what you can do if you do this properly. So please, make it videos, produce it for your own benefit, and you are gonna be successful YouTuber. See me on the next video.